Hey, welcome to Relay. We are voice AI for modern teams, which is the legally required thing to say on a homepage in 2026. What can I help you with?
This is a working voice agent on a website with zero front-end code, no SDK, no call UI, just one script tag. And I'll show you how to ship this with your own agent in under 5 minutes. Let's go. So what is this thing? Well, think of it like a little help bubble, but for voice. A small launcher sits inside the corner of your website. Visitors click it, a pop-up opens, and they're in a live voice session with your agent. We've all seen these, but generally they are just text. But this one is voice first with text, camera, and even screen share too if they're enabled. Until now, getting an agent in front of a user meant standing up an entire front end, token routes, client SDK setup, custom call UI, and now you can just drop it in using a script tag. Everything you need to set this up lives in one drawer in the agents page right here in LiveKit Cloud. Once you've gone into your agent, click the Embed button at the top. You'll get a preview of what it will look like, but let's go ahead and enable it first. We need to set our allowed origins. So I'll just put example.com. Of course, you want this to be your actual website. So allowed origins are the security anchor. The widget will not load on any domain that you have not approved, and tokens will never be minted for unapproved sites. Be sure to save that change, and then you will see your embed script. And we just need to copy and paste this into our website. We can drop this into any page that accepts custom HTML, like WordPress, Webflow, Squarespace, Wix, your own app. There's no build step, no packages to install, no framework to adopt. Just reload your page and the launcher's there. We can customize the widget. So if we go into settings, we can select which type of theme we want to allow. We can change the color of the button, and we can change the icon in the middle as well. Just add a custom URL there to change that icon, and we can enable the different features like camera, screen share, and chat. When you're done, save your changes and start talking with an agent. And because it's just a script tag, style isolation keeps the widget consistent, and you won't mess with any of the custom CSS styling of the host site. You can also pass context into every session with data LK attributes, identity, display name, job metadata, that all flows into the agent at connect time. So a support agent can greet a visitor by name, pull up their account tier, or route to the right workflow without any extra API calls. When you want to turn the widget off, you can just come back here and flip this toggle off, and it's disabled. Existing snippets will stop rendering, and your configuration sticks around for whenever you want to turn it back on. So that's the LiveKit embed widget. Open the embed drawer on your agent, add the allowed origin, paste the snippet, and your agent will be live on your website in no time. Links to the docs and the agent builder are in the description. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more voice AI content like this.